Hi, my name's Hardy Westman. I'm here at 840 Brandenburg Boulevard. I've teamed up with Mike Bolger here today and Chestnut Park West to show you this house.
That's right, Hardy. This house has it all. 4 full bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, and a great layout and great space to show you. Let's go right on this way.
So we're going to start out here in the family living room. Standout feature here is the fireplace, going to keep you warm on those colder nights this winter.
Right next to this beautifully updated kitchen, this place has it all for entertaining and relaxing with friends and family. Follow me right this way to a gorgeous backyard. This way for a great tour of the upstairs level with 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Step right inside this gorgeous massive master bedroom with a walk-in closet and a bonus.
That's right, Mike. We've got a beautiful ensuite bathroom here with enough room for 2 in the shower as well.
Secondary full bathroom with 2 extra rooms for the growing family in mind. Spacious basement, fully finished as a workout room or a home entertainment theater room, and an extra bathroom just to boot.
And look at this massive deck, just 3 minutes away from a public school as well. It's a great opportunity to start your family here.
This is a huge deck, perfect for anybody who wants to entertain. Has lots of room for grilling, smoking, and cooking pizzas. Thanks a lot for joining us. My name is Mike. This is my accomplice, Hardy. We look forward to making this house your home. If you have any questions, feel free to call me anytime at 519-616-2656 or visit my webpage at mikebolger.ca to learn more. Thanks a lot for joining us. We had a great time. We hope you did too.